At 32, I finally realized something shocking. Love brain girls are actually built for success. Let me ask you something. Have you ever loved someone so much that you slowly lost yourself? You check your phone all the time. You overthink every message. You plan your life around them. You give everything. Time, energy, emotion. And at some point, you stop living your life. That used to be me. I was in a long-distance relationship, over 2,000 kilometers apart. Every day I held my phone, texting, calling, missing him. Every weekend, every holiday, I flew to his city. I was even planning our future, talking to my parents, researching new jobs, learning new skills. But one day, when I finally said, let's end the distance, he left. No explanation that makes sense. No real closure. Just like that. And suddenly, everything I built in my mind collapsed. That's when I realized something. I wasn't building a future. I was living in an illusion. Because when you put all your attention to someone else, you don't become loving. You become needy. You become exhausted. And the worst part, you don't even recognize yourself anymore. But after the breakup, something unexpected happened. I had time, so much time. And for the first time, there was no one to focus on. Except myself. Working, reading, going to the gym. At first, it felt empty. Then slowly, it felt peaceful. I worked 10, 12, even 13 hours a day. Not because I had to, but because I finally had something of my own. My emotions stabilized. My mind became clear. My life started to feel full. And that's when I realized love brain is not weakness. It's power. You are sensitive. You notice everything. You love deeply. You focus completely. That's not a problem. That's a potential. You just give all of it to the wrong place. Because chasing love and building career follow the same logic. In love, you invest your attention into one person. In business, you invest that same energy into your work, your clients, your visions. Same intensity, different outcome. You don't need less love. You need a bigger life to hold it. I don't hate the version of me who loved like that. I admire her. She was real, she was brave, she was all in. She just didn't know where to place her love. Now I do. And if you ever felt like you lost yourself in love, maybe this is your turning point too. Follow me, let's rebuild ourselves together.